welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. Today I will be talking about this robot vacuum. Okay, before I start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so. Thank you. This is a robot vacuum that my sister she give it to me because she don't want her maid to not working. So she give this to me. Actually, I don't like robotic machine, but now I really love this thing because every time I come back, I just press the button. It just clean the floor for me. Okay, let's check the dust inside. You just press, you open, and see when you take out this is the filter. See how many dust is sucked inside, and you can just take out this cover and throw away. It's so easy. And this also can mop the floor. Okay, this also can mop the floor. You just take out this piece of thing with the cloth and you just pour water inside this container and clip it back. It's very convenient for a singer like me. Okay, sometimes it goes somewhere that I don't want him to go, then I will pick it up and ask, hey, don't anyhow go lah, and then he will stop. It's like your own puppy in your house. And I heard this is very expensive, but luckily I get it for free. But if you can afford this, you should get one of these if you are a single or lazy like me. This thing really can help you save a lot of time. And this robot vacuum, when they are out of battery, they will go and charge by itself. Need to charge about 4 hours, and they clean about few days. So it's quite very convenient. And I'm a very lazy person, and sweeping and mopping not inside my dictionary. So after I'm having this, I have this machine. Just press a button, it just go by its way. Even clean underneath my bed. But everything, when you want to clean, want to sweep all the thing, you must pick up everything like the map, towel or every rope, string, wire. You cannot let it hang below. If not, it will tangle the thing. About the machine, I'm not sure about the spec because I don't have the manual book and I never do any research on this machine. But I just want to let you all know that it's very convenient for singer like us and lazy people like me. So if you can afford one of these, you better go and get one. And I heard this type of robot machine got two types, one that can mop your floor, one that cannot. So whichever you can afford, just get one. You can look at it at Carousel or Taobao. I saw Carousel got second hand one, few $100. One is 180 also. So go and try and get one. This video is just a simple clip to tell you what gadget that it can help single like us. So very happy to have this machine. So if you can get one, do so. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please help me to reach 1000 subscribers, and do share my channel. Thank you very much for viewing. Bye bye.